In this video, I am going to share with you my top 3 manifestation techniques that I use to manifest things into my life. So let's get started. Hi everyone, it's Kaisa here. Welcome back to my channel. I am an entrepreneur, musician, and a law of attraction coach. So let's dive deep into the first technique, which is affirmations. I love affirmations. Like, you can use affirmations to create anything you want to. Like, they are so powerful. So basically what affirmations are, they are sentences that you repeat over and over again until they sink into your subconscious mind and become your reality. You can find a lot of affirmations on Google, on books, and everywhere, but the best affirmations are usually the ones that you create yourself. You can still use affirmations you find somewhere if they resonate with you. The key is to choose affirmations that feel right for you, because not every affirmation works for everybody. So it's best to choose affirmations that make you feel good, make you feel like you already have your desire. You can write affirmations for anything you want to. You can write affirmations about yourself, about other people, your relationships, your career, money, like any area which you want to reprogram in your subconscious mind. For example, you could use affirmations such as I am confident, I go to the gym every day, manifesting money is easy for me, everyone around me is positive. Just like find any problem in your life or any negative situation and turn it around and start affirming it to yourself. The key to affirmations is to write them in the present tense. Like, you affirm to yourself that you already are what you want to be. You are not saying like, I will be confident, I will go to the gym. No, that's talking about the future, but we want to always say those affirmations as if they are true right now. For example, I am confident, because you want to become confident here right now. Also, you don't want to use any negative words in your affirmations. And for example, if you are socially awkward, you don't want to say an affirmation like this: I am not socially awkward anymore. Do you see that word not? But you still say socially awkward. Like, your subconscious mind doesn't know the word no. So if you use an affirmation like that, you're basically talking more and more of that social awkwardness into your life. So use the affirmation, I am confident in every social situation, and affirm it to yourself, or use any other affirmation that works for you, that happens in the present moment, does not include the word not or negative things that you don't want into your life. You can repeat your affirmations, like you can write them down, you can speak them out loud every single day. For example, in the morning. You can do it in the afternoon as well, and in the evening before going to sleep, whatever works for you and your schedule. But the key is to repeat them as often as possible, because that way you will reprogram your subconscious mind faster. Moving on to the second technique, which is visualization. We all do this and it's so powerful. Like, I've done this basically all my life, even before I knew about the law of attraction. So basically what visualization is that you can close your eyes and see the thing which you want in your mind. Sometimes I don't even need to close my eyes anymore, because I can just imagine the thing right in front of me in this environment, even though it's not actually here. The cool thing about visualization is that your brain doesn't know what is real and what is not. The brain cannot make difference between imagined and real incidents. So basically, when you're imagining a situation, your brain thinks that you are living it. Visualization is so powerful that professional athletes and performers and a lot of other people are actually using it in their job to increase their performance. And you can do it too. I like to do it just before going to bed, because sometimes my schedule is very busy and I just don't have the time to schedule for visualization in my daytime. And when I go to bed, there is hardly any resistance at all, because I am so tired and my conscious mind is not going to get so much on the way as it would in the afternoon, for example. This method is actually from Neville Goddard. Like, he taught people to imagine their wish as fulfilled as they go to sleep. And that way they will bring that state, that feeling into their subconscious mind, because while the conscious mind is asleep. So there is no resistance at all. That's why it's so powerful. You can visualize at any time of the day that works for you. Some people like to visualize in the morning or after a yoga session, or like I do it just before going to bed. Just whatever works for you. The third technique is my favorite one, and I actually made a video about this a few days ago. I will link it up there. And this is called living in the end. Like, this is the only technique you will ever need. This is super powerful. So basically how this works is that you live your day as if your wish was already fulfilled. You are living in the end of already having your desire here and now. Ask yourself, how would I feel if I already had my desire? And then practice that state over and over again and feel it. Feel it, it's super important, and make that feeling your predominant state of being. And that's how you will manifest it into your reality. I sometimes take visualization into my daily practice of living in the end. Like, if I'm doing something, for example, I'm walking, and then I'm imagining as if I already have my desire. I'm feeling how I would feel like, and then I'm kind of imagining it into my reality, what it would look like while my eyes still closed. Like I said before, sometimes I don't even need to close my eyes because I can just see it already. I just basically do that every time the thought of my desire comes to my mind. I am not constantly overthinking and obsessing about it. I'm just like living my life, and whenever the thought pops up in my mind, I consciously go back to that state of my wish fulfilled. And that's how I am constantly reprogramming my mind into believing that it is the actual reality already. So that's my video for today, my top 3 manifestation techniques. Like, you don't need to use them all, you could choose one and try it out. Like, the key is to finding a technique that works for you, because we all are different and not everybody likes affirmations. And not everyone can visualize. So choose what works the best for you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm making 3 videos every week to inspire you to start living your dream life right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So bye for now.